Hello everyone, wish you warm welcome to all. I am Mahin and curious to discuss about the innovative service agent known as Langflow. Also, I am sure you are eagerly waiting to experience the way its behavioral functional service work and its running workflows. So without any further delay, let's get started. Langflow is an open source Python based customizable framework for building AI applications. It supports important AI functionality like agents, MCP model context protocol. It does not require to use the specific LLMs, large language models or vector stores, since it has the embedded service opportunity, and also there is an external server opportunity which try to deploy the service requirements over the public internet. The visual editor simplifies prototyping of application workflows, enabling developers to quickly transform the ideas to the powerful real-world solutions and application service. The primary purpose of Langflow is to create and serve flows, which are functional representations of application workflows. That is the actual goal or target of how to operate the service in that particular manner. What are the agents service opportunity as a module or component that are given as possible features into the particular side of the Langflow platform, and we can easily drag and drop those service element into our application development what we need to fulfill or meet our target requirement in an effective way. So Langflow can help you to develop a wide variety of AI applications from the real world perspective. In reality, how can you create such application service to the implementation phase? For example, such as chatbots, document analysis systems, content generators, agentic applications. Now I am coming to this stage. We'll discuss about the different activity workflows of Langflow, starting with flows. A flow is a functional representation of an application workflow which receive input, process it, and produce output. To create a blank flow, select a project, click New Flow, and then click Blank Flow. To create flow from a template, then you need to select a project and then click the New Flow, and then click the template you want to use. Once you open the Langflow application workspace, we can use all the left panel components by selecting and placing the components as nodes in workspace. After building a prototype flow or setting up program details to receive components, you can test it in the playground. In future, if you are experienced, then learn how to trigger flows with the Langflow API. Let's come up with now agents. Agents component is an integral part for building the agents flows by interacting with AI ecosystem via giving open AI API keys. This component provides everything you need to create an agent, including multiple large language model LLM providers, tool calling, and custom instructions. Now coming to the MCP, Model Context Protocol. So Langflow integrates with the Model Context Protocol as both an MCP server and an MCP client. If you are interested to gather knowledge on MCP, kindly visit the link to learn standardized server implementation for AI model interactions. Develop. So far what we have noticed, the other services like API keys, authentication, custom dependencies, global variables, environment variables, storage memory, Langflow data types, and voice mode. To get more details, type this link to your Google browser and check through develop menu options. Now coming to the deploy. To understand the deployment service via publicly highlighting the application workflows, you can check this deployment documentation of Langflow. This is explaining about different ways to bring your locally built flows to the world. By checking this video, you will learn about the flight control.dev, flight.io, Hezner to host the local Langflow server over the internet, as well as build and deploy a Langflow container across different environments. To get these videos along with other service operational videos, you can check this official YouTube channel of Langflow. An important matter is to include the secret API key into the OpenAI API key within the agent node. As a beginner, you can search to this link to get your OpenAI API key. Oops, forgot. To install the Langflow, these two common ways are better, which is better followed by majority of users. By clicking on Get Started for free, we'll reach to this panel. Once you fill up the fields, clicking on Download Langflow, you will watch a Langflow setup file in your window. Another way to install is to write down this Python command instruction in your virtual environment. You can try with Google Colab because I have found it's possible to load packages and run Langflow services. Lastly, I would like to show these are some of the major application services that have solved the problem of real-world development. Try Langflow and build your own AI future.